A club sandwich impossible pie? Let's do it! Grab a pie dish and give it a spray. Let's add some crumbled and cooked bacon and some chopped cooked chicken or turkey and a 1/4 cup of crumbled blue cheese. Grab a bowl, 1/2 cup of Bisquick, a cup of milk, a little pepper, and 2 eggs. Let's whisk it up and pour it on top. This goes in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Cover with some lettuce, tomato, and more blue cheese. A club sandwich impossible pie. This is kind of cool looking with that lettuce and tomato on top. And it tastes amazing. I love that there's blue cheese in there, and the bacon is great, and the chicken is great. It is a tasty impossible pie. I think I'll give this an 8.1 out of 10. How did the science teacher freshen her breath? With experiments.